What's up, everybody? I'm Blevin Robinson with West Coast Cajun Cuisine. In today's video, a New Orleans style hurricane inspired smoothie. Whew, that was a mouthful. Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. If this is your first time here and you're interested in learning how to cook authentic Cajun cuisine, comfort food, just about anything for that matter, then you've come to the right place. Click the subscription button and that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Now, today's video is a smoothie. It was inspired by a cocktail in New Orleans called a hurricane. Now, if you've ever been to New Orleans or plan on going to New Orleans, one of the most famous places to go to is Pat O'Brien's. Now, they sell hurricanes all over the place, and one of the most common things about a hurricane is that it tastes like Hawaiian punch. In fact, some people actually use Hawaiian punch to make hurricanes. It has different alcohols in it, just kind of depends on where you go, but it's primarily rum. Now, the original recipe derived from passion fruit syrup, orange juice, lime, and rum. Well, I'm making a smoothie, so I'm going to go ahead and divert from that recipe just a little bit. For one thing, it's hard for me to find passion fruit syrup. So what I'm going to do is, in place of passion fruit syrup, I'm going to use dragon fruit. Strawberry, banana. I'm going to put some orange juice in there with a little bit of lime, and I'm going to add pomegranate juice. And that's going to be the kicker right there. That's what's going to set this thing off. And then finish it off with a little grenadine to sweeten it up, and the rum. And this is another collaboration with my friends at Just 88, which I'll leave a link to their YouTube channel in the card up here at the top and also in the description down below. There's gonna be a hashtag above the title of this video, and if you click on it, it's gonna bring you to a playlist of everyone else that participated in this smoothie collaboration. All right, here we are. Let's go ahead and get started on this smoothie. So first of all, what I have is about a quarter cup of frozen strawberries, a quarter cup of dragon fruit. This dragon fruit is going to take place of the passion fruit syrup that I told you about earlier. Good stuff. About a quarter of a banana. It's not a smoothie without a banana. I have about a tablespoon of grenadine, sweeten it up a little bit. About a tablespoon of lime juice. I have a cup of orange juice. I have a half a cup of pomegranate juice. It's gonna make this pop. It's gonna be good stuff. And right here is 1 ounce of white rum and 1 ounce of dark rum. All right, so first of all, we're just gonna start putting stuff here in this little blender cup. Let's get it all in there. Now, like I said earlier, this is inspired by the cocktail called the Hurricane in New Orleans. Not an exact recipe. Let's add the grenadine. Of course, it's kind of hard to make the exact recipe when you're trying to make a smoothie. But I've tried this and it is crazy good. Not gonna be able to get that all of that orange juice in there. Let's put the top on this bad boy. Hopefully we don't make a mess. All right, now that we got all of this in our blender, let's get to blending. I'm gonna go ahead and pulse this. I wanna get it nice and smooth, get all the seeds kind of broke down. All right, there we go. Now, let's get us a glass. All right, so we got this all blended nice and smooth. Let's go ahead and pour ourselves a glass. Let's go ahead and garnish that with a little mint, like such. If I can get it to stay up there. Boom. And there we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the best part of this whole thing is getting to drink it. Oh my Lord. Let me tell you something, this is super dangerous. You cannot taste the rum in this at all. I would be very careful with these drinks. They can't sneak up on you, but so delicious. This is a perfect thing to go sit outside, you're barbecuing, it's hot, nice cold, fruity beverage. That is crazy. Now, you can make this without the alcohol. And what I would do is instead of alcohol, I would go ahead and add maybe a 1/4 cup of vanilla yogurt to it. I made one of these for my daughter the other day, non-alcoholic of course, and she loved it. The vanilla yogurt kind of gives it a nice little punch. I still add the grenadine in there, kind of brings up the sweetness in it. But excellent smoothie, guys. Got to give this a shot. Go ahead and come back to the studio because I'm gonna sit down and enjoy me a little cocktail. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen, my take on a Hurricane Inspired Smoothie. Now, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I'd really appreciate that. Don't forget, this is a collaboration with a bunch of other YouTubers. If you click the hashtag below, it'll bring you to a playlist. All the people who participated in this collaboration. There are some awesome smoothies out there. So make sure you go check them out. Give them some love. Subscribe to their channel. These people work really hard at what they do. And trust me, you're going to find some really nice recipes if you follow the people that participated in this collaboration. Next week, I'll bring you another video. Not sure which one I want to bring you yet, but it's going to be a good one. I'll see you then.